Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Shaz, which is short for Shahrazad, and I love all kinds of colorful eye looks and makeup. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Laveau collection by Devinah Cosmetics for you. I'm going to do this eye look and I'm going to do swatches of the 4 shades in this collection. I have prepared swatches on my hand. If you want to pick up the whole bundle of 4 shades that are in this collection, they're on sale right now. I will put the Devinah's website and the link directly to this collection down in the description box. If you're interested, let's go into the video. We have Zombie and Seance at the top, Ritual and 347 at the bottom from left to right. Okay, let me first quickly swatch all of these on my hand. The first color is called Zombie, without an E. They all look like they have a black base, or at least like a gray base. I don't know if you can see the glitter, like it looks like it has glitter particles in it, although it's not pressed glitter and it doesn't feel like it has anything gritty in it. It's extremely smooth, it's just that it looks very, very sparkly. That's what I mean. This is 2 swipes. From the angle that I'm looking, I see purple, but I think you guys are seeing teal. I don't know if you can see the shift. The next color I'm gonna do is called Seance, and this is a similarly very, very glittery. Again, same kind of, when I say glitter, I mean the same thing. It's not actual glitter like gritty or anything. It's very smooth. It has a shift between purple and blue. Let me see if I can capture both of these shifts. It seems like it also has a yellow shift. I can see a gold shift there in the video. The next color is Ritual. This one definitely shifts between purple and gold, but a very sort of like a dark gold. Let us see if we can capture that. You can see that, that's the gold. From the angle I'm looking, I literally see gold glitters on a black base. And then it shifts to a metallic purple, as you can see. I personally can't see another shift. I don't know if these are considered multichrome or just duochromes. I do not know. And the color that I'm gonna swatch for you right now is called 347. I don't know the significance of that number, but if you do, let me know. That's what I see on my finger. And then this is the swatch. Again, these swatches are done on bare arm, no primer or anything. So this color is shifting between dark blue and purple. I think you can see the dark blue. Let me see if I can capture the purple. So this is the one we're looking at. And I think you can see, I think it's pretty focused. I don't know if you can see the purple. From the angle I'm looking, I see purple. I think you might be able to see a little bit of purple there. From right to left, Zombie, Seance, Ritual, 347. Very, very beautiful, and these are very different from anything I've seen from any other brands where they're super glittery and they have a very, very obvious shift. So their texture and so on is relatively new to me. I have already primed my eye with the base from Lancôme. I used Beige Ivoire, which is beige ivory, #1. I'm thinking about using the purple color, so let's go. Okay, I'm using the color Stay, and I'm going very lightly in my crease. I'm not gonna clean up the edges right now. I'm gonna go later and clean up the edges with this color. I'm gonna go into the darker, and I might, to even deepen it up further, I might mix the darker purple color named Covet with a little bit of black. I'm gonna use a little bit of the color Rush with a packing brush. I rhyme. On the brush, and I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna be very careful for these 2 colors not to mix. I'm gonna use NYX's glitter primer a little bit here and a little closer to inner portion of my eye. As you know, I like to apply shimmer shadows with a finger. First, I want to go into Zombie. As we can see, Zombie is a teal going into a purple. And I'm gonna put Zombie here. I'm just gonna tap it. And then I'm gonna go into Ritual, which is a purple into a gold. And I'm gonna put Ritual closer to the inner corner. Unfortunately, I have fat fingers, so I am going to have to do this with a brush. I'm gonna pick a tiny brush. These shadows appear like duochromes to me. They don't shift to multiple colors from what I can see, which is why I use two in a relatively small space. Otherwise, I would not recommend with a multichrome for you to use too many multichromes on your eyes. In fact, probably the maximum number of multichromes you should use in an eye look is 2, unless you're super experienced with them. Otherwise, what's going to happen is that you're not going to see the shifts. You're probably only going to see 1 or 2 color. And I'm going to pick a small but tiny kind of fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to pick a tiny bit of this color called Beckon, and I'm going to blend the outer edge. I'm gonna pick this same packing brush and I'm gonna do a very small dab in black, and that is to deepen this part up a little more. I'm gonna use a little bit of Seance. It's interesting because you're seeing a blue, but when I look at this color I see more purple than I see blue. And I pick a brush like this, which is super flat at the top. I'm going to, when you have a black base with a color, you don't want to blend it too much because you're going to start seeing the black base. I'm going to go into the Halo Moon collection and pick the color Nokomis. This color has a purple hue. I'm going to pick a little bit of this color and I'm going to do my inner corner. These Halo Moon colors are beautiful. You can use them over a black base. You can use them by themselves in your inner corner. They're just fantastic. They are also on sale. Maybe I'll make another video about them. If you're interested, let me know in the comments below. Okay, my eye look is done. Let me go do this eye look off camera and I will be back. Okay friends, I'm back with the completed look. I also went ahead and applied a little bit of Ultra Blotted Lip by ColourPop in the color Slide on my lips. I figured a very light pinky color would match with the eye look. Let me bring the camera closer so that you can see my eye look from close up. I'm trying to see if changing the angle is going to change the colors that you can see on my eyes. Let me know if you have any of these colors from this collection, or if you're interested in picking it up, or maybe you've picked it up and it's still being shipped to you. Thank you so much for being here with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel for more colorful eye looks and reviews of indie brands. Until next time, bye!